you are looking after the interest of foreign owners. So you are not different from a security guard. You are an economic security guard. You know. So they don't allow that in England. They don't allow foreign ownership of the land. But when they come here, we must allow it. It cannot be like that. Ownership of the land by the indigenous people of that land or the people belonging to that land guarantees their sovereignty. That's why the ownership of the land by our own people is very important, because it guarantees us of our independence. Tomorrow, Bill Gates can come and buy the whole of Northern Cape, or Limpopo for that matter, and put walls around it and create one gate. And when you want to protest, they tell you this is a private property. I'm owning it. And offer every individual who owns a land there a huge amount of money, to an extent that they now agree to fall under this person. What happens to the sovereignty of our state? It means our state is available to the highest bidder. When you say willing buyer, willing seller, it means we are selling this country to the highest bidder. So we know we don't have the necessary capacity to bid against them. So they will bid higher and they will buy our land. And all of us will owe our existence to individuals. Individuals who come from outside South Africa. But we're going to give them a lease. If they don't want a lease, they will have to work with a South African who will own that piece of land. Again, foreign ownership of land. Many of you are in partnership with companies outside South Africa and everywhere else where you do business. You are actually partnering them. And then they come here, they do business here, you still partner them in your own country as a minority shareholder. You partner them in their countries because you are not allowed to own a land in their country.